Welcome everyone. Today we have an incredible opportunity for all fresher students out there. If you're eager to sharpen your analytical skills on real-world challenges, then the Amazon Business Analyst Internship is perfect for you. This exciting program offers fresher students the chance to gain invaluable experience working alongside top talent at Amazon. You'll contribute to critical business initiatives, develop your analytical toolkit, and gain a deep understanding of the world's leading e-commerce company. Apply for the Business Analyst Internship today. Amazon Inc., doing business as Amazon, is an American multinational technology company. It's engaged in e-commerce, cloud computing, online advertising, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. Amazon is one of the Big Five American technology companies alongside Alphabet, Apple, Meta, and Microsoft. Founded on July 5, 1994 by Jeff Bezos in Bellevue, Washington, Amazon started as an online marketplace for books. It gradually expanded its offerings to include a wide range of product categories, leading to it being called the Everything Store. As a business analyst intern in supply chain analytics, product and research, SHARP, you'll lead innovative projects for multiple countries, supporting end-to-end supply chain optimizations. Your goal? To place inventory at the right place, in the right quantity, at the right time. To achieve this vision, you'll build analytical products to audit and improve systems responsible for inventory placement. You'll also develop statistical models for forecasting, classification, and recommendation, and support A/B testing to drive improvements within the supply chain. This analytical position provides supply chain operations support. You will develop and maintain business reports, provide analytical support, work on BI product development and maintenance, interact with customers and map features, and conduct ad hoc analysis to investigate system decisions and metrics impact. We're looking for a customer-focused, detail-oriented, self-motivated, hands-on business analyst. You'll work closely with both internal and external stakeholders. The position is based in Bangalore, KA, India. Now let's talk about qualifications. You should have excellent skills in SQL, Tableau, Excel, QuickSight, or other data visualization products. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills, a basic understanding of at least one scripting language such as Python, excellent English written skills, and be pursuing a bachelor's degree or higher in a quantitative or technical field, like computer science, information management systems, engineering, or statistics. Preferred qualifications include experience in Python, R, or Linux Unix for large data sets, processing and statistical modeling, ML, experience with AWS services including S3, Redshift, and Apache Spark, and the ability to handle multiple competing priorities in a fast-paced environment. Remember, you must be pursuing a bachelor's degree or higher in a quantitative or technical field. So, how can you apply? If you're an interested candidate, click the link provided in description to apply for the Amazon Internship 2024, Business Analyst Intern for Fresher Students. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to be part of something big at Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing opportunities and career advice. See you next time.